All right, got some silicone sealant for the Trans Am. So let me just kind of go over what I did with the car today. I went ahead and fixed some of the problem areas that we saw, and I don't want to say fixed because it's not really a fix, it's just more of a temporary patch. A little silicone up there, obviously a lot of silicone right there to just kind of help get some of the water out of the car. So you can see that nice white patch in here. That's all actual open area. So I mean, that's just the sun kind of moving around in the clear there. So if you look at the factory weather stripping, it looks like it's supposed to come down here and then just drip down the side. So I mean, that kind of gives you an idea of how it's supposed to run off. But yeah, obviously, like, I've had gaping holes in here for a little while. Actually I didn't find another one. I thought I just did. But anyway, they yeah, it's supposed to make water just kind of drip off here and, you know, not run into the car like it does on mine. Because I mean, look at this. This is just horrible. Just because it's been sitting for a while, and you know, you neglect your car for a little bit and it turns into this. It never looked like this when I had it before. So it's kind of a shame, and I'm, you know, kind of upset about it, but is what it is. You live, you learn, and now we repair. So anyway, that's what I'm dealing with here. I'm actually going to clean this up. I'm not going to do it today because I don't have the stuff with me and I don't have time really. So I'm going to do this today, or I'm sorry, tomorrow, because we have a storm rolling in this weekend. So I will get that taken care of. So it's supposed to run down here, obviously, and follow this. You see this turn and then kind of slide down here and then also off the drip rail. But unfortunately, my window, my glass, isn't really in place and hasn't been for a while. It's just kind of one of those things. It's a common problem on the third gens, just like this is probably the reason why. If you can hear that. I can raise my door because the bushings that are the hinge for the door are bad. And it's just another common third gen problem that I have to get fixed, you know, along with everything else. So, yeah. But that's pretty much going to do it for today. Oh, I did, John Concha scored me a crack-free dashboard today, like the actual top panel. So that is actually really awesome. Very excited for that. So I'll actually have a dash that doesn't have, I mean, you can see mine's in horrible shape, but we got it for a good price too. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video today. It's just a short one, just another reason to come out here, check out the car, and let's see if we can get this closed. There we go. Gotta kind of give it some oomph behind there. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Again, I'm gonna try and come here tomorrow, put a little ceramic on the T-top seals and see if we can keep more of the water out. I'm actually gonna come back when it's raining to see if it's doing its job, see if it's, you know, if it's holding up. It's all an experiment, right? So yeah, so thanks for following along again and watching these videos. I mean, some of them get repetitive, but I mean, we're starting to do little things to try and get to the bigger stuff. When we start doing the T-top roof swap again, I'll see what we can do to get that filmed and edit and out. It's obviously going to take a long time once we get to that point, but yeah, this is just a, you know, a part of the series. You know, we're getting there. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned. I'll keep posting more videos as we start working on this car.